decades ago, literally, we started doing these pre-paint assemblies at that time for match marking, alignment, and everything else to ensure that we didn't have that oh shucks moment much further down the line where it would be much costlier. Whether it's conveyor, bucket elevator, screw conveyor, each section or sub-assembly is match marked for a specific piece of equipment. It's like putting together an erector set for big kids, more or less. You'll get the trough sidewalls will be labeled, marked, and welded in most cases with a letter. So when we put those, so section AA goes together. When that alignment occurs, we want to make sure it's a smooth transition. Smooth transition from the bottoms, sides, return rails. Elevations are all proper and equal. Inlet locations, discharge locations, support locations, lifting lug locations if they're critical, as well as your inspection door locations. So more or less we're fully assembling the conveyor prior to breaking it down for paint to make sure everything's right. And that way when you get something in the field, those sub-assemblies that you're receiving have already been bolted tight. We know that it's going to go together and require minimal field modification or alignment issues when they're installing the equipment.